Getting started importing files into NVivo in Mac. Take a look at the very top menu and click on the Data tab. You will see a whole array of all kinds of different types of files that can be imported into NVivo. In this video, we look at various file types that are imported in the project. You can import documents, PDFs, dataset, pictures, audios, videos, and other types of data. From the Data tab, click on the document file and a new window will appear which would look like this. Select those files that you wish to import. Here we are importing a number of Word documents that contain transcripts of interviews and also a PDF paper that's relevant to the project. And then click Import. The imported files can now be seen in the second column alone under Files. To see the content of one of the files, double-click on it. For instance, here by double-clicking on Barbara, we see that the file for Barbara appears. If you have a lot of files, you might want to organize them into different folders. We are going to make two new folders for interviews and for documents. To make a new folder, highlight the file folder and right-click. When you right-click, a drop-down menu will appear, as you can see. Simply click New Folder and then name the folder and press Done. We now have two new folders, Documents and Interview Transcripts. We simply drag and drop the literature file into the appropriate folder, that is Document. Alternatively, right-click on the file and copy and paste it into the appropriate folder. NVivo Mac does not give the option of cut the file, so once we copy the document to its folder, we need to delete it from under the file area to avoid duplication. Having moved the PDF into the document folder, we now highlight the interview transcripts in order to move them into the interview transcript folder. By highlighting the interview transcript folder, you can see the interview transcripts and the content within it. Should you wish to rename a folder, single right-click on the folder and select Get Info from the drop-down menu. This will allow you to change the name of the folder. We will rename the interview transcripts folder as Interviews because we've now realized we have audio and video interview data and interviews that have yet to be transcribed, and we want them together so that we have all the interview data in one place. We import audio, video, and indeed image data in exactly the same way as we did text and PDFs by clicking on Data tab and selecting from the given options. By clicking on Audio under the Data tab, a window will appear which will allow us to browse and find the audio file that we now wish to include in the project. we will simply click on Import. Another window will appear with the audio properties, and we will click on Done. Because the interviews folder under Files was highlighted when we imported Helen's interview, we can now see the audio file within the interview folder. To import video data, we repeat exactly the same process as audio data. The video we wish to import is of Ken's interview. However, previously we have saved this with the name a.mp4. We now wish to be able to change the name because we want to call it Ken's interview video file instead, to be clearer. The video called A is now within the interview folder. If we right-click on a.mp4 video, a drop-down window will appear. Select Get Info, and this will allow us to change the text name. Rename the video as Ken's interview video file. We also import images in exactly the same way. Here we have imported an image of the map that we have previously made within NVivo based on Ken's interview. Double-click on the video file Ken's interview within the interview folder to be able to see Ken's interview within NVivo. Because it's a video, we have the video image area, and the images will change as we play the audio. The audio is at the side, and it's an audio timeline of sound. If we double-click on Helen's interview audio file, we will see the audio timeline of Helen's interview in the right-hand area. Note how NVivo denotes Helen interview as audio with the speech bubble sign and Ken's interview as a video with the film reel sign. Since you will want to read your interview data, you may find it helpful to move the screens and make the right-hand screen larger. You can also change the file to full page view by clicking on the arrows next to Edit, which is at the top right-hand corner of the screen. Getting started in NVivo project.nvpx now looks like this. We have installed the text interview transcripts, the audio file, and the video file. And remember, we've imported the literature PDF within Documents. Now it's a great space to manage your entire project. We can keep all the interview data, but we can equally keep our literature and other files. For instance, say you're working with social media data, all in one project. This ends the getting started importing files into NVivo Mac video.